Hello. So what is going on, everyone? I'm the boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of the key up here. What you're going to do is you're going to have to go down to your settings app. You can go ahead and search for it and go to the connections tab here. Scroll down, go to more connection settings and look for VPN. Okay, so you're gonna have to check if you have any VPN. This might happen whether you have a VPN in your phone or you don't have a VPN in your phone, but I have a VPN. But if you check on my apps here, there is no VPN running. However much I try closing everything, you see, the keys remains there. So what we're going to do is we're going to still go back to our VPN settings, because you can even check the VPN that you have in there. It's not going to be running. If you check my VPN, it's not running at all, but it shows that the key is running. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to settings, go to more connections, go to VPN, and what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to switch off that, and it will go. If you want, you can go ahead and delete the profile, but since you're going to be connecting with the VPN, if this is not your VPN that is bringing the key up here, if you switch it back on, it's going to bring the key. But if you take it off and you delete the profile, it's going to completely go off. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.